This site is worldwide available and is available both for your laptop and desktop computer and also for your smartphone device or tablet. Keep watching to find out the name of the site in question. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. This strategy, believe it or not, actually involves Google. And so your very first step is to come over to learndigital.withgoogle.com. Your first step is to come over to this website. Now, for those oblivious, let me explain what this is. This is Google's official platform where for absolutely free, you can grab online courses that will teach you everything related to online marketing and online business. And not only are these courses free, but you can also get certified when you finish them, as you can see right here. Some of the things these courses will teach you, you can see right here. You can explore how websites work, build a strong online strategy, learn to manage your time effectively. They teach you how to create long-term social media plans, and so on and so forth. If you want more details, you can click on more topics right over here. When you do, you'll be brought over to this page where you can see that there are over 150 courses available. Some are longer while others are shorter. Now don't worry guys, you won't have to watch any of these whatsoever. We will instead be using them to get us paid. And so what you need to do when you come on this site is come back over to their homepage and copy this link. You will now want to head over to docs.google.com. Click on blank here to open up a blank document. And finally, you will earn to write something like I did here. Did you know that you can get free high quality courses online? Not only are they free, but they are proved by expert. And upon completion, you will get a certificate. If you want to start learning skills that would be of immense help in reaching your goal, then click right here to get free access. So write something similar to this. Just simply inform whoever's reading that these are high quality and also free courses that they can get, and they will get a certificate when they finish them. Want to complete this? Your goal now is to download this to your computer. To do that, just click on the file, hover your mouse over download right over here, and you now will want to download this either as a document file or PDF. I personally will go ahead and download it as a document so I can show you what you need to do from here. Now that you have your files guys, your next step is to come over to the platform that will actually be paying us, which is upload-forever.com. This is a site that will not only allow you to store various files free of charge, but it will actually pay you every single time someone downloads one of your files. And as you may guess, we will upload our document in here in order to get paid. And since in that document we have to link to absolutely free courses, people will be very much willing to download it. But you want to keep watching because I have a tool that will show you later on that I used myself to literally get thousands of downloads of my file with ease. Anyway, there are several awesome features of this site that I know you guys will love. First off, it's available for Android, as you can see right here. So if you're wondering if this was doable on your phone, it is. Something of note is that, unfortunately, it isn't available for iOS as of now, but I'm sure that it will change in the near future. Something else I know you will love about this site is that it's available worldwide. So yes, no matter where you're coming from, this will work for you. And lastly, it's legit. If you click on payment proof right over here, you will see that there are people withdrawing money from this site every single day. So it's not a scam or anything like that. Now, the amount of money you earn is around $7 per 1,000 downloads. And I know that isn't a lot. But here's the thing. This site gets thousands upon thousands of visits every single day. So it's virtually guaranteed you'll be able to earn a decent amount of money on here. And as I said, I have a tool to boost the number of downloads. Anyways, what you need to do on this site first is create your brand new account. You will do just that by clicking on sign up right here. Once you create and log into your new account, what you need to do next is upload your file. To do that, just click on uploads right here, then on choose file, and you will find and open up the document of yours. When done, your file will now be visible to members of this site, and they will all be able to download it and make you money in passive income from there. What you need to do now is grab the link of your file. In order to do so, just click on your file and your link will be located right here. From there, you'll want to come over to this site, the link of which I left in the description box below for you. This is the tool I use to make literally $250 in a single day. Now, right off the bat, I want to tell you that you do have to pay for this tool. But before you click off this video, check out what it says right here. It has a 365-day money-back guarantee, so you literally stand to lose $0 thanks to this. Well, it has the potential to make you thousands. Furthermore, if that wasn't enough, they will pay you $250 if it hasn't worked out for you. So not only will this get you thousands upon thousands of clicks on the upload forever link and thus make you a lot of money, but it also has a money back guarantee and they will pay you in case it doesn't work for you. As I said, you literally stand to lose nothing. Now, with that important bit of info out of the way, this will make you money by getting you thousands of people to click on that link of yours, just as you can see here. Push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat without any high-tech skills, upfront costs, or experience. Now, the way this actually works and the way it gets you traffic to your link, guys, is through the use of WhatsApp, with which this tool reaches 2 billion users, as you can see here. And the reason they're using WhatsApp in particular is because over 90% of people read messages sent to them on WhatsApp, which is just not the case with any other social media platforms. Now, on this page, what you can also see is payment proof of people who have made money with this. And I know some of you will be skeptical, so be sure to check that out as well. And by the way, I got you guys a great deal with this, costing literally under 20 bucks, while the original price is much higher, so be sure to check this out. It's the first link in my description. The last thing I want to mention is that you don't have to use this per se. So if you happen to not have any money in your pocket as of right now, then doing it for free without the use of this tool is most definitely a possibility, and you'll still get paid. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.